Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal Balance for online purchases. First, log into your PayPal account securely using your chosen credentials. Verify that your available PayPal balance is enough to cover the cost of the item you wish to buy. Then, simply head over to your favorite online merchant's website and select the products you want to purchase. It is a straightforward process. Once you have gathered all your desired items, advance to the online store's checkout section. Look for the payment options and click on the PayPal button, usually indicated by its familiar logo. This action will redirect you to a secure PayPal page where you will need to log in again for verification. This extra step ensures your financial security during the transaction. After logging into PayPal, you will see a summary of your purchase and available payment methods. It is crucial here to confirm that your PayPal balance is chosen as the first funding option. If you have other linked payment methods, like a bank account or credit card, ensure the balance takes precedence. This step guarantees you spend your available funds first. Take a moment to thoroughly review the order amount, shipping details, and the selected funding source within PayPal. Once everything looks correct and your PayPal balance is confirmed as the payment, click on the Confirm and Pay button. PayPal will then process the transaction. You will automatically be sent back to the online store, where you should see a confirmation of your completed order.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.